Camp House Wildfire is what it's being called, and that just continues to burn today. As you can see, at about 750 acres in St. Louis County. They are fighting it from the air and from the ground. There have also been some evacuations, including to a camp there. So it's something that started about 12:30 yesterday afternoon, Sunday afternoon. And if you know the area, maybe you've never heard of Brimson, but if you know the area, it's about 2 miles northeast of Brimson. But again, it's kind of hugging that St. Louis County lake.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for King MN, beginning at 3:57 p.m. and ending at 6:57 p.m. Wildfire on Great River Road. Avoid the area if you can. Watch and listen for any update.